Hi, this is Steve Harris. We had a fantastic time at Dream Academy today. You missed a lot. Listen, if you weren't here, where on earth were you? All right, enough said. Let's just talk about some of the things we talked about today. We talked about turning your vision into actions. We had role plays where we took the participants and we asked them certain questions so that they could clarify on their goals, because some people recognized that they didn't really have a dream, but they had wishes. And we took action steps to make these things happen. So listen, if you weren't at Dream Academy this year, don't worry. You have a lot to regret, but hey, don't worry about it. There's always next year. This is what you do. Go to dreamacademyonline.com and register for the 2013 session. I'm going to say that again. Go to www.dreamacademyonline.com and register for the 2013 session. But now, if you weren't here today and you don't want to wait till 2013, what do? Very simple. Order for the CDs, order for the DVDs, order for whatever you can get. Call them, beg them, do whatever you can. You need to get the sessions. Incredible speakers, myself of course as well. You don't want to miss out on anything. So once again, register for the 2013 session, www.dreamacademyonline.com. And who knows, maybe I'll see you next year. God bless you.